All right, everyone, today we are heading out to a community-wide yard sale. It's supposed to have over 25 houses participating. It's actually gonna be my first community yard sale of the year, so I'm pretty excited about this. Let's get out there and see what we can find to flip for a profit.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Awesome, thanks. Has it been good out there? Have you been doing
This is like my second stop,
Oh.
so just got out here.
Well, you know, this is the best, so make sure you find something.
I'll try.
Sure.
Starter White Sox jacket. How much are jackets?
That one I think is...
Oh, I see it in there, $5.
Yeah, $5.
Okay, I didn't see it inside there.
No, that's the only thing that's...
All right, who am I paying? All right, I'm just grabbing that jacket.
Okay.
$5. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, first find of the day, little starter White Sox jacket. Nothing crazy, but hey, gotta start somewhere. This one looks pretty big. Got a lot of stuff out. Oh, it's one of those surface mice. I'll grab this dock too.
These $4.
Yeah, so that's $4.
North Face jacket.
And you want this?
Gore-Tex. Oh, it's bootleg. Look at that tag. Still a nice jacket.
Okay.
Alright, am I paying you?
If I change it.
That's okay. 5 on that, and then whatever you want on that mouse.
I'll do like $1.
That's fine. I got single, so shouldn't need change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alright, sale number 2. Ended up getting a Microsoft Surface dock, $5. And this little Surface Arc mouse. I actually find these pretty often, and I think the last one I sold went for right around $40. If you ever see these, always grab them. They sell very, very well. How's it going, brother? How you been?
Good, good.
Doing decent?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Any cool finds?
A couple little things, nothing like super crazy, but it's been decent so far. A bunch of bread and butter. Yeah.
Nice.
It's a bunch of Stampin' Up stuff. Stampin' Up can do well, so especially like if you find the framelits. I don't see any framelits though. There's some of the little hole punches though. These can go well. Little card punchers. I wonder what she wants on all of these. Are the punchers, is that $5 for all of them? Or is that for this? $5 for all? I'll buy them all. I'm just gonna set these over here for a second. Oh, there's the ink. Yo. That ink is gonna be worth it. I'm gonna grab all that probably. It's a brand new stamp pad. It's the ink for the pad. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Good to me. $30. I got a bunch of the markers too. Yeah, a bunch of the Stampin' Up stuff. A lot of it's brand new too. I'm gonna load up on it while I can. This stuff sold great for me last time I bought it, so might as well buy it again. There's more ink. This is by different brand, Adirondack. Distress ink. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
50? Yeah, sounds good to me. 20, 40. Here's 60. You can keep it. You can keep it. You can keep it. I'm good with that.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, that was a pretty dang good stop right there. I mean, we just got like 4 or 5 totes filled with the Stampin' Up stuff right here. I mean, she wanted 50 bucks for everything. I gave her 60 because this is probably a couple $100 worth of goods right here. I mean, a lot of it is brand new, and I mean, I've sold a bunch of these inks, like a lot of them in used condition. I think I got like 300 bucks for like a lot of 50 or something like that one. So this is going to be a pretty dang good score. I can't wait to go through it all when I get home. You know, it's finds like that last one right there that really make me appreciate yard sales, because you can find a ton of stuff all at one stop, bundle it together, and come out with a bunch of great items. You can't really do that at like thrift stores or estate sales and stuff, because most items are individually priced. But places like that, you can just throw a bunch of stuff in a pile and get a good deal on a bunch of things all at once. It's a it's a great way to source. It's one of my favorite ways to source. Maui Jim, the Ralph Lauren glasses though. Everything's a buck? Cool. It's our prescription. Okay.
And bags are $10 in the basket for $10.
Okay. Some Longaberger stuff down in here. I don't know much about Longaberger though. I know some people really like it, but I've never really dove into it. It's a nice looking bag, Johnson Murphy. North Face. Is that a Recon bag? Some pretty good shape. I think he said 10 bucks for the bags. You said 10 bucks on the bags?
Yeah.
I grab that. Oh, there's a Coach purse too. 10 bucks for a Coach. Okay, well I think I'll grab this stuff off you. I got 2 bags and then that there's glasses.
21.
Yep. 21.
All right, thank you very much.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. There's a Roughwear harness. This is a great brand to look for. It's a good dog harness brand. I actually bought a ton of these out a few years back and did extremely well on them. $2, we'll take that. I'm gonna buy this off of you guys.
Okay.
$2.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. There's some Bates boots. Bates is a good brand. These look almost brand new. SP 500. Everything else is marked at $5. We'll see what he wants on those. How much on those ones? I'll do that.
Want a bag?
No, I'll just carry them out to my car. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you. Oh, look at that over there. There's a little Nerds plush. It's like a box of Nerds. For those of you who don't know, my girlfriend actually designs for Ferrara Candy, who make a Nerd. She actually makes the shape for like Nerds, Trolley Gummy Clusters, the Brock's candies that come out, stuff like that. And look at this. This is like a plush, and it's got a little bitty Nerd in there. That's hilarious. Whenever I find Nerd stuff or, you know, Trolley or whatever stuff, I always grab it because, you know, it's her work and she designs this kind of stuff. Oh, look at that. There's actually another little guy down here in the plush box. Bet you he goes right inside there, so you can see them both through the window. Is there any more in here? Nope, looks like it's only those 2. Oh, there's another whole bin right here. Nope, looks like we got 2 Nerds.
There is a Nerd somewhere in here that I saw that I was like, I have to put it in.
Oh, there's another one? I just found another one in that little box over there. It was the purple one.
The purple one. Yep,
Okay.
that's the one. Okay, I think I just threw it in there, yeah.
Is that the sorting hat?
Yeah. He works when he wants to. I swear to God, he's haunted.
Like it actually talks and stuff?
Yes, I put batteries in it last 2 Halloweens ago, and he was working fine. So there's probably brand new batteries in there, but and he like, oh my God, he like talks when he's in the box too. I don't know.
I'll play around with it.
Yeah.
I think that's the Skydancer's launcher right there. This got answers to one of those banned toys. You can't actually sell this on eBay, but it's cool to see. Oh, look at that. There's a little Giga Pet down there too. I am going to grab that. There's a little North Face fleece. That's real. Size small, but we'll grab it. Woman's, I guess that's a jacket, $5. Yeah, we'll take it.
10, 11, 12.
12 bucks? Cool. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Can't complain. Turned into a nice day today.
Yeah, beautiful. Both houses are together, so if you find anything you want, cash register's up here.
Okay.
Thanks.
I'll grab those. Hey, I'm gonna grab the gloves off you.
Is there a sticker on this?
Yeah,
Okay.
$3. Do you need it?
Perfect. Nope.
Okay.
That's okay.
$3.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Have a good one.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, guys, that is going to wrap things up for today. I did pretty well out there at the community yard sale. It was our first community yard sale of the season. Hopefully there are many more to come, but I don't really feel like we need to go over and do a haul part of this video. You've seen pretty much everything I picked up, so hopefully you enjoyed, hopefully you learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, keep on treasure hunting. Peace.
Woo!